Here at RK Motors, as much as we lust over museum-worthy numbers-matching metal that's been restored to better than factory condition, we're also red-blooded gearheads who love selling classics that are actually enjoyed. With its awesome color combination, ground-pounding big block, and spirited performance, this authentic Chevelle LS6 is the perfect way to collect your muscle and drive it too. Professionally refinished in correct Cortez Silver 2-stage that's decked in traditional tuxedo black war paint, this Chevy benefited from a ground-up restoration that was completed in 2012. That detailed rebuild created a storied profile that features better than factory alignment. Doors were adjusted with precision, vertical components were centered in their respective openings, and pliable weather stripping was carefully integrated. Featuring a host of fresh interior components, the all-business cockpit is splendidly crisp. The seats are firm to the touch, showing no signs of significant wear. A straight Supersport dash hangs optional deluxe gauges beside retrofitted air conditioning and GM-branded Autometer accessory gauges. A polished Muncie shifter sits on clean carpet that's protected by color-keyed floor mats, and the driver spins a brushed rally wheel. Under the hood is the iconic 454 cubic inch LS6 that sports a correct casting number and suffix code. That big block sends power to a tough Muncie M22 4-speed, back to a familiar 12-bolt rear. In 1970, this Chevelle was some of the best performance your money could buy. Currently, it's one of the best investments on the muscle car market. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.